here we have Ellie and Yankee's puppies with a first time exposure to a bird in a bag. I'm going to drop it. We are 5 weeks old. My goodness. It's a feisty bird.
The bird's gonna do so much.
Feisty checker. So we're a little bit trying to think about nap time, but I think maybe we'll have some instinct stick out before they nap.
Well, I can't reach it.
Oh, Olive's all over it. You're all over it. Oh, goodness.
Careful. Oh, you got a feather in your mouth. Can I bring you this feather, lady? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Since their attention span's a little short currently, but you know, sometimes that happens because of their age, but they'll get better attention and more interested in the bird the older they get.
You just want to take a nap. You're like, I'm just going to take a nap. Nobody fed me my supper.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, he's just watching. He's watching you. She's just watching you. Yawning. They're like, can we just dogpile together?
Oh, we have some puppies that are giving up.
Yeah, they're just like
Giving up for a nap.
We've done activity.
You're not giving up yet, huh, little miss? Come here, let me have it. Let me have the bird. To catch the rest of the sleepers later. They're a little bit more awake.